If your furnace suddenly starts making a banging noise, pay attention. Most homeowners think noises are normal, but when the sound changes, something inside the system is struggling. Loose components, worn motors. The question you're probably thinking is, if it still works, then is it really a problem? And that's where people get caught, because small mechanical problems slowly damage other parts of the system until one day the furnace just stops completely. I've seen this happen during Colorado winters more times than I can count. And there's one sound that almost always shows up right before a furnace shuts down.